at the last category for the day, which is Cult Classic. This award category will reward the best product available for purchase in the Middle East. The jury members will look at the market penetration and length of presence in the market to select the finalists. Our finalists are for Cult Classic: OPI Nail Lacquer by OPI, Lash Perfect by Wellbe Trading LLC, Natural Strip Lashes by Ardell, دهن العود Natural Spray by Dakhil Oud, Supremacy Silver by Afnan Perfumes LLC. A very cool category to be considered for, and I'm sure that the competition was intense, and so were the judges.
We, the jury, found all of the finalists in this category were very well known, and the Cult Classic category is a very important category as it recognizes the products which have the ability to stay relevant through the course of time. All of the finalists have contributed to the beauty industry, and it was tough, but we managed to pick one winner.
I'm always glad to see a deserving winner, but these decisions are always difficult with so many great products to choose from. The winner of the Cult Classic Award is OPI Nail Lacquer by OPI. Congratulations and well done, OPI.
So we're extremely excited and both humbled to be receiving this year's award. On behalf of the OPI family, I'd like to thank the panel of judges and Beauty World for choosing us as this year's winner. We hope that it'll keep reinforcing our image in the Middle East and in the world as being the #1 nail brand salon worldwide. A big special thank you to the OPI team at Nazih Group. I can really say that without your daily dedication and passion for the brand, this achievement would not have been possible. And lastly, to our devoted OPI tribe, we hope with OPI to keep delighting our customers and our nail professional community and to transform the world with color. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again, and congratulations to all the winners.